Hey guys, it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I have low battery. What's new? I'm gonna do a little night routine. I came back from work. I always put my bag away, put my slippers on, and put my jacket away. And to start the night, well, to make myself get ready for bed, I prepped this coffee maker for tomorrow, which is a French press. So I put some scoops of coffee there, and then I'm going to put the teapot filled with water for tomorrow morning. And I'm making lemon zinger tea with some honey. I also prepped my dog's food for tomorrow morning because I'm going to wake up early to go to work. And I usually have lemon water in the morning, but lately these lemons are tasting really funky, so I don't know about that, so they might just stay there. But I'm also going to prep my smoothie. I'm going to put all of the ingredients in the container and just leave it in the fridge. Now I'm going to the bathroom because I'm going to shower. I'm going to wash my hair. It's really greasy. I wanted to work out today, but I just didn't have time, if I'm being realistic. I woke up at, well, I can't say I woke up at a certain time because I never went to bed. I really genuinely don't think I went to bed at all last night. I woke up at 3 to drive my parents to the airport, and I had work at 6. So I went back here, laid on the couch for about an hour with my dog, and then I drove to work. I was at work for 12 hours. I was babysitting, so like it was great. I love little kids and I wouldn't have it any other way, but I was just so tired. I literally almost fell asleep one time, and the only way I got myself to wake up was literally going like this and like slapping my face, and then I turned on my phone and just put the light in front of me to wake me up. I'm gonna shower, wash my hair, wash my face, and I'll show you my tea later. I need to charge you. Alright, so I just showered. A really great tip at nighttime is to put everything away. Literally everything clean so that you want to wake up to your house, apartment, room looking clean. So what I do is I get rid of all of my clothes, I put it in the laundry, hang it up, I leave my bathroom clean. Oh, I just looked into the light. And then I clean up my kitchen, I prepped my food. And now what I'm gonna do is a little workout that I've been having the luxury of doing in my apartment because I'm not in my dorm. It's this rolling machine, and you just roll out your body on the floor like this, and you see how far you can go. I'll put a picture of what it's supposed to look like here, but this is how I end my night. I'm gonna go put lotion on, my face is dry. I got my dog's bed, she's gonna sleep right next to me. And then I'm gonna drink my water. I drank my tea right after I got out of the shower, and I have my hair in a towel, but I look like crazy, so I didn't really show that. But that's what I did. It's like so easy how to have a great night. It's 10 o'clock right now. I'm going to bed because I have to wake up at 7 tomorrow to go to work by 8. Clean your mess, prep your food, prep your clothes, prep your outfit, prep everything. Go to bed early, clean slate, wash your body. I love going to my sheets with like clean body because if I went in dirty, I would have to take the sheets off the next day. It's disgusting to me. Good morning. She just woke up and so did I. So we have water boiling because I didn't have enough to make lemon water and coffee. This is just a French press, so I put coffee grinds in there yesterday. And I have hot lemon water. This was for Chloe's food. I made toast because I'm going to put avocado on my cinnamon raisin Ezekiel toast. And then I have a green smoothie that's going to go in here, so I can actually put the water away. And that is basically my morning. I literally just woke up. But good morning. We're going to clean the kitchen a little bit while I prepare for breakfast. Chloe's eating her breakfast right now. Today is a chore kind of day. The past 2 days I've been working literally all day. I go out when there's no sun and I come home when there's no sun, so I don't see any sun
and I'm just gonna stay pale. Today I have a lot of stuff to do. I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I'm gonna take out the trash. I have to mail something. I have to go to the bank. I have to see my friend because I have to drop off a present that I never dropped off. And I have breakfast made. So we're gonna have some breakfast. Ooh. Okay. This is just a Starbucks reusable cup. It usually always fits. If not, I have a little extra for my mom, but she's not here, so. Delicious. There we go. It fits. I usually get a rubber spatula to get that out, but I really don't want to do dishes, so I'm not gonna get that. Alright, so I need to clean up a lot. Clean up the living room. I have pillows everywhere. And that is gonna be my morning. I just made breakfast, my green smoothie, coffee, hot lemon water, and avocado toast. It's delicious. I'm excited to eat up. And I'll see you when I'm in my car or doing something else. Alright, so this is the final product. I put paprika, garlic powder, salt, smoothie, coffee, hot water. I realized I didn't get a mug for the hot coffee, so maybe I'll just drink this hot lemon water and then pour it in here. Also, I'm making shot glasses. I do that at Custom by Jules. It's an Instagram. It's mine. I'll put it right here. I have to have those done by today and deliver them. As you can tell, I'm not really done, but I'll get it done. I have to print out the logo and then it'll be easy. If not, I'll just take the materials with me to my travels. All right, that's breakfast. Now I will actually see you when I'm doing something. I might do a little time lapse of the shot glasses. I don't really know, but alright guys, here's the latest update. I'm driving right now to my hometown. I have a package I have to ship out because the shipping label wouldn't print for some reason on eBay. I was selling a phone case. And then I finish my shot glasses. Oh, this is why there's so much traffic. There is construction happening right down from my apartment building. But I finished the shot glasses. They took way too long in my hands. Still have E6000 glue on them. But if you want to buy shot glasses that are bedazzled for your school, check out Custom by Jules on Instagram. Highly recommend. They're really cute and handmade. Takes a lot of time. And they're really kind of inexpensive, gotta be honest. There's some other Instagram people that make them and they're like $20 and mine are only $14 for two of them, so I highly recommend. And I have to go to the post office for that, have to drop it off at her house, give my friend her birthday present, which is right here. I brought my makeup so I can do it. I want to go to California Pizza Kitchen for dinner, and I wanted to get a bagel for like breakfast and lunch. Well, I had breakfast, I want to get lunch. I'm like starving. What else did I need to do? I think that's it. So that is where I'm going to right now. It is freezing out. It was snowing, and now it's all of a sudden not. But of course it was snowing when I had to walk my dog, and my little angel likes to go slow. So that was really cold. What's this car not moving for? It was really cold. I have my nice little hat on that I got for Christmas. And my hands were freezing. But it was snowing for like a half a second. Don't know why. But now I'm just driving, so I'm not gonna vlog any longer. But today has been a productive morning and I hope it continues throughout the day. I love not having any plans because all week long I'm babysitting from 8 to 7. It gets me so tired and I have no time to see anyone because I get home, walk my dog, eat my food, and go right to bed because then the next morning I know I have to get up at like 6 in the morning, so I don't have any time to do anything, and it's my winter break. I kind of put this on myself, but I enjoy it. It's a great time. So yep, that is the update. Oh my gosh, my music's still playing. That's the update, and I'm gonna stop vlogging.